Arrive in style with this 2018 Kia Soul Base. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 130 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock, in-radio display, cruise control and external temperature display. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.